Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Interjections 290. The interjections today is all hands on deck. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it now. Let's go to it. You may also hear this phrase as all hands on deck, or sometimes it could be shortened to all hands. Okay. The origin of the phrase is a nautical term, coming from the ships or sailing, especially in former times, and was used on boats to call all sailors to the deck. The word hand used to be another word for a sailor, and the deck is the top tier of the boat, so that's why it's all hands on deck. If someone yells all hands on deck, it is a call or an order for sailors to get on the boat if before setting sail, or to call sailors on deck immediately, especially if an emergency or something important, is happening. Number two, by extension, it is used in a humorous way to call everyone to participate in something. All right, we got 4 examples here to show just how it's used. Here's the first one. A storm is coming. All hands on deck. So this is probably the most common one where they're calling them up like for an emergency. Number 2, the boss wants everyone to come in this Saturday to get this project finished, basically. He said, all hands on deck. Everyone must come in. Good. Number 3, the manager said everyone must work this weekend. We are completely booked with reservations. He said, all hands on deck. We need everyone. Okay, and the last one, we're about to set sail. All hands on deck. So this could be a boat that's about to leave. Maybe there's still some people, who might be, just outside the boat or nearby, and they say, come on, you got to get on. We're leaving soon. Maybe in, 20 minutes, a half an hour, you got to get on the boat. All hands on deck. Anyway, I hope you got it. I was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.